I'm about to show you how to remove the back cover and the main board for the Sony XR-65X90J. Starting by removing the screws. We have 5 screws, 1 below the power cable and 4 where the wall mount goes. So I'm going to use my metal little spatula looking tool here. I'm going to insert it about 4 inches from the bottom right here. I'm going to pop up. We're going to keep going up the sides. And so what we want to do is we want to pop this out by pushing it out, simply just pushing it out. We'll show you the clip locking mechanism once the cover is removed. Just like that. Keep going around. Okay, there we go. Now I'm going to do the same at the bottom. So we have the little clip here, just push it out. Like that. Keep going all the way the other side. See, because of that. There we go. And you don't want to go in too deep because you're going to be hitting this piece of metal. Now we're going to do the same thing over here. So I just lift it all the way up to here, and then about 4 or 5 inches from the bottom, we'll insert our tool, lift up, and make our way up. And I'm not putting a ton of force. You don't want to do too much force. If you're doing too much force, that means you're probably not engaging the clip correctly. Okay, now that we've gotten all the edges here, the left side re-engaged over here. Let me undo it again. And then the top, we should be able to wiggle it out, just like that. So now let's take a closer look at what we were doing. We have these little clips here. So as you can tell, about 4 to 5 inches from the bottom, and then every 5 inches or so we have another one. So we have a little metal clip here, and we have on the bottom here a little piece of plastic. So we're just clearing that piece of plastic away from the metal here by bending it out like that. Now let's remove the main board. This one's going to be a little bit easier. We have just a few clips. So right here we're going to press on the center and wiggle it out. For this one we want to press on the metal tab over here. So I'm going to press down on with one finger and wiggle out on the other side. We're going to do the same with these other ribbons down here. Press on the metal tab, wiggle out on the other side, just like that. For these ribbons, there's 2 clips. We have 2 little pieces of plastic on each side. So we'll press down on both at the same time and gently wiggle out. Same with the other one. There we go. For this clip, we're going to press right in the center right here and wiggle out. Same thing, we have a little clip right in the center. And there we go. Now we can unscrew the board. And now we can lift the board out, but we want to be gentle because there's some thermal pads below, so we want to kind of wiggle it up, and then you have to slide it away from the center because there's little clips here. And there we go. We can remove the plastic shroud, and now it's free. If you want to find out exactly how we fix this main board, check out this video next. If you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.